Hello everyone, Coach Carol back again. I would like to continue with some more information about how to deal with putting notes into Evernote from your research for your ancestors. Now, earlier today in my previous live cast, I showed you how to create a note in Evernote and to go to Find My Past, get the transcript of a record and paste it in place. I will show you today how you can use the web clipper from Evernote to put in place things like a website, a screen grab, or a whole website if you need to from your research. So let's go over to my Evernote first to refresh our memories of where I was at. And we have the record for my great William Ellery. His details were intriguing in that his father's occupation was a chandler. And I've done some further research, and you can see now, if I click onto this note, that I've put in place a baptism record for this particular ancestor. So William Ellery, born on the 19th of February, to Samuel and Elizabeth at St. Saviour's, and the father's occupation was chandler. So I've gone over to Google to ask what is a chandler. And I want to come back into William Ellery's record and put some further details in place. So over here on Google, I've asked the question about what is a chandler, and the definition is shown here. It's a maker or seller of tallow or wax candles, and usually soap. So I can copy that piece of information, come back to my note and paste that in place beside it. So a very easy way to just make sense of some of the data that you're finding in your records. Now I want to go on and research further information about the father, Samuel Ellery. So I've created a note for Samuel. And over here in my Find My Past, I have done some research for the marriage of Samuel to Elizabeth. And in one case, I can see that there is an original document to look at. Always of great interest to find something with original handwriting in place. So we'll have a look at that. And I'll show you how you can clip that to your records in Evernote. One of the things that you will need to put in place initially is the Evernote web clipper. And you'll do that by using the prompts within Evernote to put in place the Evernote web clipper. Just show you what that looks like over here in my extensions to Chrome. It just has the little elephant icon and the Evernote web clipper. So once that's in place, I can, on any document, any website, use a right click to copy that information to my Evernote. So I'm looking at the marriage certificate of Samuel and Elizabeth Simons. And I've right-clicked to find the Evernote web clipper. And I have choices now. I can have the full page, a bookmark, or a screenshot. Let's try a screenshot. And depending on where you were last in your Evernote, it will save that into your Evernote records. And I can see it's gone into the wrong family there, but that's okay. We can go back, find the notebook that it went into. And it should be showing up here now. There it is. So there's the document that I want. So I'll click that. And over here on the right, I can choose more actions and move it into the correct notebook, which in this case is the Devon tribe. Then click Move to place it there. Go back to the Devon tribe and it should show up the top. There we go. So a really nice feature to add to your skill set in keeping records of what you've researched neatly together in the one place. So remember that you need the web clipper, and you'll find that once it's in place, it will appear on your browser as an extension, meaning that wherever you are, you can right click to send information to your notes. That's it for this one. I'll be back later with more. Have fun with Evernote.